Hi, I'm Sam Thurgood and welcome to my 2-minute Parsha. In this week's Sidra of Chukat, we read the famous laws of the Para Aduma, the red cow, the ashes of which are used to purify a person from contact with the deceased. And the Ishbitzer Rebbe, Rabbi Mordechai Yosef Leiner, says that the Torah is coming to teach us not just the practical halakha, the real lesson that contact with the deceased brings impurity and all that has been said about that, but there's something else to be said, he says, about the difference between being sick and being dead. Sickness is an issue that we are dealing with now. Sickness is in the present. Death is something that already happened. Death is in the past. And he says this really relates to the way in which you live your life. If you are dealing with something today, if an issue is with you in your life now, then the Torah says permission was given to the doctor to heal. Then you find what you need to do in order to get better. You find a way to resolve these difficulties and move forward. But if the problem in your life is what happened in the past, that, he says, is dealing with death. The past is already gone. And to spend our lives in contact with that, in fact, leads us to impurity. So that, I think, is a profound psychological lesson in the question of how our approach to life. Are we living in the problems of the past? Are we living with all of yesterday's pain and difficulties? Then he says we are living with impurity. Whereas confronting today's challenge and impurities may be a very difficult challenge, but that's really where our time and energies should be, dealing with the issues of today and looking forward to the future. Shabbat Shalom.